Hi there, welcome to Consumer Unit World. Here at our website warehouse, we try to keep as much in stock as possible of consumer units, devices and accessories so as to keep you well supplied with everything you need for day-to-day installations, with a good selection in stock of ranges from Hager, Fusebox, Luden and Wilex. We keep boards of all types, both main switch and RCD boards with or without surge protection devices fitted, flush mounted and designer boards, all the way up to 3-phase and industrial TP&N boards. All the devices required to complete the job, including standard B and C curve MCBs and RCBOs, but also isolators, contactors, surge protection devices, arc fault protection devices, incomers, switch fuses, and a huge range of accessories including mounting frames, cable entry glands, tails kits, tails clamps, and fire suppression accessories are in stock at all times. All this and next working day delivery as a standard service available now at consumerunitworld.co.uk.